In this video, I will show you union, intersection, and difference operations upon set of elements. On whiteboard, I have discussed two methods. One method for unsorted array and one method was for sorted array. And sorted array method was using merge. So I will show you a method using merge, that is for sorted array. So this is the program already we have written for merging, and it's a single project that I am using for all the functions or the operations on an array. This is the same project what I am using it for operations upon an array. So in the same project, I will use that merge function and I will convert into union, intersection, and difference. So for that, first of all, let me take some set of elements. First set is having 2, 6, 10, 15, and 25. So in the second set, I will write down few common values like 6 is common and 15 is common. When we perform union, we should not have duplicates. So for performing union, I can take the help of merge function. I will copy that same merge function and I will change it for union. So here I will copy that function and I will call it as union. So union for sorted array is same as merging. In merge process, this is a loop where it will compare the elements of array 1 and array 2 and copy the elements in third array in the sorted order. So the logic for performing union will also be same, only the difference is that if the elements are same, then we should take only one copy and increment in both the arrays. So I will modify this. See, this is if array 1 element is smaller than else. So I will modify this and here I will write on if array 2's element is smaller, that is a of j is smaller than array 1 of a of I, then copy this. Otherwise means if both are equal. If both are equal, then in array 3 of a of k plus plus, copy any one of the elements. So I will copy an element from array 1 and I plus plus, and followed by this I will also perform j plus plus, means I should increment both. So this should be inside the bracket because I have more than one statement inside else block. Yes. See, this is if array 1's element is smaller, and the second one is if array 2's element is smaller, then third one if both are equal, then copy any one element and increment both I and j. And one more thing I have to modify here is that length of third array will not be equal to sum of lengths of array 1 and array 2, but I can take it as k. Whatever the value of k is, that is going to be the length of third array. Then size is 10. So that's it. Let us try this. Instead of so that's it. This has become a function for union of sorted arrays if the arrays are sorted. I will change the function name. I will call it as union. Now let us run the program. I should get a union of these two arrays, so where there are no duplicates. So the elements that I expect are 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So 6 and 15 are repeating, so they should be taken only one time. Let us run. Yes, 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So there are no duplicates in this one. So this is working perfect. So this was for union. Then I will copy this function for union. I will make changes and I will make it as function for intersection. Here I will paste it. Then first of all, I will change the function name to intersection. Function name is intersection. So in your compiler, if you are unable to give long names, you can take short name. In intersection, we should copy an element only if they are equal. So I should not copy these elements. So instead of copying an element, I should simply say I++, just move to the next element, don't copy it. And in this case, if second element is smaller, then I should just increment j if the second array element is a smaller. Then else means both are equal. See, this one, array 1 element is smaller, this one is for array 2 element is smaller. If both are equal, then copy any one of the element either from array 1 or array 2 and increment all I, j and k. And here we should not copy the remaining elements. We should take only the common element. So remove the code for remaining elements. Two for loops were for copying the remaining elements either from array 1 or array 2. That's all. Copying only common elements. So this condition is, if I write the condition, then array 1's element a of I is equal to array 2's a of j. I have written the condition also. Otherwise, this just else is sufficient there. Now the code is readable. You can read everything condition here. That is, if this is smaller, increase I. If this is smaller, then increase j. If both are equal, then copy them. So if we come back to the main function, I have two arrays and the common elements are 6 and 15. So if I call a function that is intersection, then I should get the answer 6 and 15. I'm calling intersection function, then display third array. Let us run this. Yes, we got the result as 6 and 15, that is intersection of these two sets. As these two sets are sorted, so we are able to use the logic same as merge logic and we are able to find intersection. Now the third operation that I have to show you is difference, that is array 1 minus array 2 we will do. So I will copy the code of union. So I will paste it and I will modify that one for difference operation. This is for the union. So I will make it as difference function, difference. Now in set difference, I should copy the element only from first array. So this part is okay, first array. And second array element I should not copy, simply I should increment j++. And when both the elements are equal, I should not copy the element at all. That's what the difference is. So here I should not copy any element, but I should increment I as well as j when they are equal. Both I should increment. And I should copy remaining elements only from array 1. I should not copy the remaining elements from array 2. Even if there are any remaining element in array 2, I should not copy them. That's it. So here only the elements of first array are copied. Second array elements are skipped. If both are equal, then skip both of them. So here inside the main function, if I take a difference a minus b, then 6 will not be there, 15 will not be there. I should get 2, 10 and 25. So let us call this function difference. Yes, 2, 10 and 25. This is the result I got. So that's it. These are the three functions we have seen. And there is one more function I have shown you, that is set membership operation. That is nothing but search. So either you can use linear search or binary search. Same function you can copy once again and you can change the name as a set membership function. So using merge algorithm, I have shown you three different operations like union, intersection and difference. And the first method for unsorted array, that is you have to implement those functions. So that's a student exercise.